Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to draw funny monsters like this from any shape. Choose any three colors that you like. I have blue, yellow and purple here, and let's get started. It's gonna be fun. So my first monster is gonna be blue, and I will draw a shape like a triangle with rounded sides and corners. The next shape is gonna be more like an oval. And the last one, more like rectangular shape. The best part of drawing monsters is that nobody actually knows how they should look like. So you can free your imagination and do whatever you like here. Just have fun. And the main trick here is drawing all the features different for each monster. Let's say the eyes. For blue monster, I will draw one big eye right in the middle of the head. I will draw a circle, then another circle inside, then two smaller circles for highlight, and I will just color the space around highlights in. For this monster, I will draw two eyes in oval shapes, another ovals inside, and I will leave highlights again. Okay, and this monster will have eyes like outside of his body. Two circles here. Smaller circles inside. The highlights. Then let's think of eyebrows. This big eye will have only one eyebrow, like this. Tiny eyebrows for this guy. And thick rectangular eyebrows for the purple one. So as you can see, I always give different features, so they will all look very different at the end. Now let's draw a mouth for each of them. And here I will draw one big wide smile. And I will add some funny teeth under this line. For the middle one, I will draw a smaller U shape and two triangles for teeth above the line. And my purple monster will have huge happy smile. So I will draw one line here, big U shape under, separate the tongue, and I will draw several teeth. And this part inside I can color in black. Now we got some empty space here, and we can draw some details that will give more personality to each monster. For this guy, I will draw some zigzag here. And one more line here. Okay. The yellow one will have some spots. I think that's enough. And what we can do for purple one, let's say we separate a belly here like this with the upside down U. And add a couple of stripes inside. I like that they look very different from each other. Let's think about arms. This monster can have some very simple arms like that. I think the yellow one should have something like tentacles, and we will draw some wiggly arms for him. And this is gonna be waving and saying hi. And for this guy, let's draw one V shape first, then oval at the end, and add fingers. And we will repeat here. Now we can draw legs. Here I will draw similar shape as the arms. The guy with the tentacles will have one slimy looking leg. And for this guy, maybe two thicker legs, more like a rectangular shape. Draw feet here. And maybe I will add some toes. Okay, that looks cute. Now I'm thinking we should add something on the head. It can be a hair or a horn. Or maybe for this guy, let's add some alien looking antennas. Like similar shape as his hands. And for this guy, maybe let's draw some horns. And let's add some stripes. And next we are going to fill these shapes in color. And this is what we got using this simple trick. Just choose your color, choose any shape, and add different details. I promise you, you will get cool result every time. I can just show you the examples, how different they can look if you just change little details. For example, you could draw 3 eyes instead of 1 for the blue monster, big fluffy tail for the purple one, or change the color of the middle monster to be a rainbow. Now you can have fun and draw your own monsters. Thank you guys for joining me today. Stay creative, have fun drawing, and see you in my next videos. Bye bye!